Inland Taipan. The Inland Taipan is often called the most venomous snake on Earth. And the strange part is that almost no one ever sees it. Adult inland taipans usually grow between 1.8 and 2.5 meters long. They have a slender body, smooth scales, a narrow head, and colors that can shift from pale brown to darker olive depending on season and temperature. That color change helps them absorb or reflect heat in Australia's harsh interior. The species lives in remote, dry regions of inland Australia, especially the black soil plains of Western Queensland and northeastern South Australia. Its habitat is open, cracked, and extreme. Instead of forests or swamps, it often shelters in deep soil cracks, animal burrows, and dry ground where rodents are common. Those rodents are the key to its life. The inland taipan feeds mainly on small mammals, especially rats. Its venom is built for speed. A bite can deliver powerful toxins that affect the nervous system, blood, and muscles, allowing the snake to subdue warm-blooded prey very quickly. When hunting, it may strike more than once in rapid succession, then release the prey and wait for the venom to take effect. Despite its terrifying reputation, the inland taipan is shy and rarely encountered by people. Its remote range keeps it far away from most human activity. That is why its venom is famous, but human deaths are extremely rare. The danger is real, but the contact is uncommon. The inland taipan is terrifying because it carries some of the most potent venom in nature while living quietly in one of Australia's emptiest landscapes. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth, and in Australia, it is one of the few animals that truly treats humans as possible prey. Adult males commonly reach 4 to 5 meters long, with exceptional individuals growing beyond 6 meters. They have a massive armored body, powerful tail, heavy skull, and jaws built for crushing force. Those jaws are the main weapon. A saltwater crocodile does not need speed over distance. It needs one perfect moment. The species lives across northern Australia, Southeast Asia, and parts of the Indo-Pacific, occupying rivers, mangroves, estuaries, coastlines, and tidal wetland. Despite the name, it is not limited to saltwater. It moves between freshwater, brackish water, and open sea with surprising ease. Saltwater crocodiles are ambush predators. They wait almost completely still near the surface, with only the eyes and nostrils visible. Fish, birds, turtles, pigs, buffalo, and other animals may come close without realizing the danger is already there. Then, the attack happens instantly. The crocodile launches from the water, grips with its jaws, and drags prey below the surface. Large prey may be killed by drowning or by the famous death roll, where the crocodile twists violently to tear flesh apart. They are also highly territorial. Large males defend waterways and can become extremely aggressive during the breeding season. Females guard nests and young with surprising intensity. The saltwater crocodile is terrifying because it combines size, patience, explosive force, and the ability to turn calm water into a trap. Sydney funnel web spider. The Sydney funnel web spider is one of the most dangerous spiders in Australia, and its danger comes from speed, venom, and where it lives. This spider is found around eastern Australia, especially near Sydney and nearby forested areas. It shelters in cool, damp places such as leaf litter, rotting logs, rock crevices, garden soil, and burrows lined with silk. Adult funnel webs are glossy, dark, and heavily built, with strong legs and large fangs capable of piercing skin. Burrow is the trap, with silk trip lines spreading from the entrance. When an insect touches them, the spider rushes out and strikes with sudden force. Its prey includes beetles, cockroaches, crickets, and other ground-moving insects. What makes this spider especially terrifying is the male. During breeding season, males leave their burrows and wander in search of females, increasing the chance of encounters around yards, shoes, pools, and houses. The venom can affect the nervous system quickly, causing sweating, muscle twitching, breathing difficulty, and dangerous changes in heart rate in severe cases. Anti-venom has made deaths extremely rare, but suspected bites are still treated as emergency. The Sydney funnel web spider is terrifying because it is defensive, powerful, highly venomous, and sometimes found far too close to human life. Box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is one of the deadliest marine animals in Australia, and the most frightening part is how hard it can be to see. The Australian box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, lives in tropical northern waters, especially around Queensland, the Northern Territory, and Western Australia. Its body is almost transparent, with a bell shaped like a rounded cube and long trailing tentacles hanging from its corners that can stretch several meters through the water. Those tentacles are covered in millions of microscopic stinging cells, and when they touch skin, they fire tiny venom-loaded harpoons in an instant. The venom acts fast, and a serious sting can cause extreme pain, whip-like marks, breathing trouble, heart problems, and in severe cases, death within minutes. That speed is what makes the animal so feared. Box jellyfish are not just drifting helplessly. They can swim, turn, and move through shallow coastal water where people may be wading, fishing, or swimming. Their prey includes small fish and prawns, and the venom is designed to stop prey quickly before it can tear the delicate tentacles apart. During stinger season, many northern Australian beaches use warning signs, protective suits, and vinegar stations to reduce risk. The box jellyfish is terrifying because it is nearly invisible, armed with fast-acting venom, and capable of turning shallow tropical water into a hidden danger. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is one of the deadliest small animals in the ocean, and the terrifying part is how harmless it looks. Most individuals are small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, with a soft body, short arms, and a yellowish or brownish color that blends into shallow reefs, tide pools, shells, and rocky coastal areas. The warning appears only when it feels threatened, as bright blue rings flash across the body. That color is not decoration, but a final signal to stay away. Blue-ringed octopuses live in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, including Australian coastal waters, where they hide in crevices, shells, and rock pools. Their prey includes small crabs, shrimp, and fish, and the octopus may pounce, bite, and inject venom through its beak. That venom contains tetrodotoxin, a powerful nerve toxin that can block signals between nerves and muscles. A bite may be almost painless, but within minutes, symptoms can include numbness, weakness, blurred vision, breathing difficulty, and paralysis. The victim may remain conscious while the body stops responding. There is no dramatic attack, no chase, and often no warning after contact. Most bites happen when someone picks it up, steps near it, or handles shells and rocks where it is hiding. The blue-ringed octopus is terrifying because it is tiny, beautiful, venomous, and capable of turning a shallow rock pool into one of the most dangerous places in the sea. Cassowary. The cassowary is one of the most dangerous birds in Australia, and its danger comes from a body built like a living weapon. Adult southern cassowaries can stand up to 1.8 meters tall and weigh more than 50 kilograms. They have a black feathered body, bright blue skin on the neck, red wattles, and a tall helmet-like casque rising from the head. That casque gives the bird an ancient look, but the feet are the real threat. Each foot has 3 toes, and the inner toe carries a long dagger-like claw that can grow around 12 centimeters. When threatened, a cassowary can leap or kick forward with enough force to cause serious injury. Cassowaries live in tropical rainforests of northeastern Australia, especially in Queensland, as well as New Guinea and nearby islands. They spend much of their time walking quietly through dense forest, and their diet is mostly fruit. After swallowing fruit whole, they carry seeds through the rainforest and spread them in droppings, making them important forest gardeners. But they are not harmless. Cassowaries can be highly defensive around chicks, food, or territory. If cornered, chased, or fed by people, they may charge, jump, kick, or strike with their claws. Most dangerous encounters happen when humans get too close or teach the bird to associate people with food. The cassowary is terrifying because it looks prehistoric, moves through rainforest like a shadow, and carries one of the most dangerous kicks in the bird world.